Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you a quick method of how I make my pounded yam, and I'm going to be using regular yam like this. The video is literally self-explanatory, but I'm still going to do a voiceover because it's been a while that I recorded a video like this. So I bought this yam from African store in Glasgow. The name of the store is Laritino. So if you're in Glasgow, I bought it from Laritino. And I like the yam I get from there because all the times that I've bought yam, it's been good yam. So basically what you want to do first is just cut your yam. I'm going to speed up, the self-explanatory processes. You just want to cut your yam into chunks like this. You can cut it into smaller chunks, but I don't have that time. So once you're done, you're going to use your knife as well just to peel off the back of the yam, and then that's it. You just want to peel it off. Everyone knows how to boil yam, but for those that don't know, this is how. And then when you're done, you're going to put it into a pot. You're going to wash the yam clean. As you can see, my hands are wet. So you're going to wash your yam clean. This is the yam that we're doing. This can make pounded yam for about 4 or 5 people. And I'm just using warm water and I'm going to boil the yam. So now the yam is boiled and I'm just breaking it into smaller pieces because we're going to take it into my hand mixer. So that's that. I'm going to be using this hand mixer that I got from my birthday, I think 2 years ago. It's just a Phonet hand mixer. I tried to find the link, but it's sold out. It comes with these two attachments, the dough hook and the whisk. And we're not going to be using the whisk. We're going to be using the dough hook. This is what we're going to use. So once that's done, you're just going to, put your dough, your yam into the bowl and you're going to whisk it away. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to use it on, medium setting. You don't need it to be the fastest. This dough hook or the hand mixer is really good and it just gets the job done. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting my, broken pieces of yam into the bowl. We're going to add a little bit of water, but I like to do things, gradually, not just everything at once, so that the consistency is right. So here, what you can do is just for the whisk to, whisk it better or to mix it better, I'm just going to put some water and then I'm going to put the dough hook on and I'm going to whisk away. Once it gets a little bit, what would I say, mixed together, you're going to put more yam and then you're going to put more water and then you're going to just continue the process. I'm just going to keep quiet now and you're going to watch me, doing what I just said. So now that it's at the consistency that we want, we're going to be using a cling film wrap. This is how my mom taught me how to plate, swallow. So I just use what would I call it? A spoon, or you can use anything you want. I'm going to be using this spoon to scoop out the quantity. I'm serving my husband's portion, so and he's been waiting for this meal to be ready. So yeah, I just basically put it inside. It just helps it to be neater, just to have a nice shape. And then I'm going to plate for everyone as well. Then I'm going to leave it to cool, and then that's it. Oh, I usually have my pounded yam with a goosey stew or a goosey soup, and this is what I'm going to be having. If you'd like to see my egusi tutorial, make sure you thumbs up this video, and I'm going to, film that and edit that and upload that next. So I'm just going to be having that with the goosey and with some stew, like normal stew. You can have it alone, really, but I just like to make my own very Nigerian, which is with stew and with egusi and with some nice smoked turkey, which is hidden beneath the egusi. So that's about it for this video. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. I'm going to be opening it up now and I'm going to be cutting it on camera so you can see how perfect my pounded yam is. So please share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay blessed and yeah, enjoy your meal. Make sure you tag me when you make yours. Bye.